Hey, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to put on an RJ45 and make yourself a CAT5 patch cable. You will need an RJ45 or a couple of them if you're going to make a patch cable, some CAT5 cable, ideally a razor blade, something to make a good cut with, and a crimper. So what I do is I score the cable. Okay. I take the stripper, cut that off. I unravel my pairs. Okay. And then I start it with the green pair. You can look it up online to see what the pairings are if you want for A and B for mod, but I always start it with green. So we're going to go green, orange, white. Then we pull in the blue pair for blue, solid blue, and white blue. Then solid orange, and then our brown pair. So we're always alternating a white, solid, a white, a solid, okay? And then I pull them nice and straight. Take my chopper, and I go just about a thumb's length. It's kind of hard to see, like yada. And I just buck them off. Okay, and I just really have it maybe about 3/4 of an inch, half an inch. RJ45, thread it in. And my little trick is, once I put it in my crimper, I apply as much forward pressure on the crimp as possible. And that's it. And you notice that what you want to have is you want to get your jacket into the crimped part of the RJ45. You don't want to be one of those guys that has your cable ends hanging out in the end, because eventually that cable will fail. So that's how I do it. Practice makes perfect.